Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that might surprise you, the idea of good debt versus bad debt. Think this is all the same? Stay tuned and find out how borrowing money could actually help you get richer. Let's start with an analogy. Imagine you're at a restaurant. You can choose between two dishes, one that nourishes your body and helps you live longer, and another that leaves you feeling sluggish and unhealthy. In debt terms, the first dish is good debt, the second is bad. Good debt can be seen as an investment in your future. For example, student loans to get a college degree that opens up high-paying job opportunities could lead to significant earnings over time. On the flip side, bad debt is money you borrow for things that don't grow in value or provide income. Think about using credit cards to buy luxury items. On impulse, these goods usually depreciate and leave you with interest payments. Here's a common misconception. Some might say all debt is bad, but it depends on what you use that borrowed money for. Just like a car can be used to get to work good or for racing bad, the context matters. Now, why does this matter? Consider this. If you took out $50,000 in student loans to earn an MBA and got a job that pays 30% more because of it, your earnings could exceed the debt many times over within a decade. However, if you used credit cards to buy a fancy car and couldn't afford the payments, leading to interest rates that doubled your initial loan amount, you'd be stuck in bad debt without any financial gain. Remember, this explanation is educational. Financial decisions should always consider individual circumstances, and professional advice might vary from person to person. Always do your research before borrowing money. Thanks for watching. We hope you now understand how some debt can be beneficial while others aren't worth the cost. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss future videos like this.